How to delete account in Telegram or how to delete your Telegram account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can delete your Telegram account. Now, as you know, if you open up Telegram application on your device and if you search in on settings or anywhere, you won't get any option to delete your account. On the app there is no any option available. However, how you can delete your account is you want to first head into your Chrome browser or any other browser, and you want to search in for delete Telegram account, as I've done so on the screen. And you can see the very first link there, my Telegram org, delete account or manage apps. You want to simply tap on it, and here you want to log into your account. Now in my case, I'm already logged in, but what you can do is I'll just log out and show you. Here you can say it'll ask you for phone number. You want to simply enter in your country code here, and you want to enter in your phone number. Once you enter in your phone number, you want to simply tap on next, and it'll send a confirmation code. Now you won't get the confirmation code on your phone number. Instead, you'll get it on your Telegram application. So what you want to do is you want to open up a Telegram. You want to make sure you're logged in, and you can see there at the top Telegram and web login code. Now what you want to do is you want to open it up and you want to copy the code here. And I'll just copy my code. You can see this is your login code on the screen right here, and you can see the code. Now I'll just head back to Chrome, and you want to enter in your confirmation code here. Just paste in, and then you want to simply tap on sign in option. Once you tap on sign in, your account will be signed in, and you can see there are three different options on the screen: API, development tools, delete account, and logout. Simply tap on delete account option, and once you tap on it, you can see here at the bottom delete account option. Here simply tap on delete my account option, and it'll show you a warning pop-up. You want to simply tap on yes, delete my account option again, and your account will be deleted. So this way you can delete your account on Telegram. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.